affiliate marketing as an online profitable business model for you to explore in 2019. What does it actually involve? Now, if you've heard anything about affiliate marketing and quite interested in affiliate marketing, or have no idea about affiliate marketing, then stick around because all will be revealed in the video. See you shortly. Hi, this is Jen Edwards Robinson from Burnout to Breakthrough.com, and I help create your freedom lifestyle business so you can get your life back. Before we get started, there is a fact I want to share with you about the internet, because I absolutely love the online world, and that is Facebook now boasts a user rate of, let me just get this right, okay, we're talking in the billions, right? 2.234 billion users on Facebook. Now, I am a fan of Facebook marketing. I don't actually train my clients in that myself. I actually invest in shortcuts and I dedicate that to awesome Facebook marketers in my contact book. But that's just an amazing fact, isn't it? And when it comes to marketing online, and in particular affiliate marketing, there's just so many opportunities. It's endless, absolutely endless. Anyway, if you are new to the channel from Burnout to Breakthrough, hi, welcome. My name's Jen. Hit that like button. Feel free to subscribe, and also if you were to click that notification button, I will be releasing daily videos into your inbox and to help you create a freedom lifestyle business. So if you are, for an example, feeling trapped in your current career, it hasn't quite panned out the way you wanted it to, I've been there, I get it. Or if you're an offline business owner and you feel completely dictated by your business, what you can and what you can't do in your evenings and weekends. Again, that was me as well. I've had 4 indoor cycling studios in my time offline, been an entrepreneur since 2012, and it's just all about you creating that freedom and flexibility in your working lifestyle so you can get your life back. So stick around, guys. Now, affiliate marketing, I want to give you 3 main points, a bit of an insight as to what does it actually involve. Now, affiliate marketing is actually what I got involved in first when it came to my online journey experience. So back in, 2019, so 4 years ago when I was pregnant with Oscar, I did look into SFM, 6-figure mentors, but because I had too much going on with nesting, and I also had my indoor cycling studio, my 3rd one at the time, there was just too much going on, and I had to put my membership with SFM down, 6-figure mentors, but I'm now back with them, and I'm now an elite member. So it's all about you are selling products and services to people on the behalf of companies, and you get a commission for that. And for me, SFM was a great opportunity for me because I really did learn the nuts and bolts of what it meant, what it means to take an idea, a product or a service online and make money from. So I'm going to let you know that it's all about getting in with the right people, and I'm going to leave the affiliates link in this description of this video, so if you want to have a look below there. So it will take you to SFM. Stuart Ross was one of my first mentors when it came to online, and it will give you through his 3 on-demand workshops everything that you need to know on what it takes to go online. But I just think it's so much better to go with a program or an academy, and that's exactly what they are, for them to hold your hand and for them to guide you as to which way you need to go in order to get to your successful online business, because you can find anything that you need to online. All the answers are out there, but you need someone, I think anyway, to hold your hand, because for me, in my experiences along the way, with offline and online businesses, I've gone down quite a few rabbit holes, and I want to avoid you doing a similar sort of thing to what I've done in the past. So check out SFM, absolutely under no obligation. You just need to watch their video, their training series, and it can determine whether or not you want to become an affiliate marketer, because it's quite an easy entry into the online world if it is something that you're considering, if you want that freedom and if you want that flexibility. So yeah, it's all about going with SFM, and it's all about selling the products and services that you love. Okay, so the reason why this is an important point is because it's going to come out in your marketing, in all your content, and it makes everything so much easier, because trust me, there will be days where the shizzle hits the fan, as it were, and it's going to be very, very tough. It's certainly a growth sort of experience, this, a bit of a learning curve as well for you to get through. And with anything, nothing in life worth having comes easy, and you would need to be putting a lot of time aside and hard graft in order to get to your freedom and flexible type working lifestyle. So you need to be able to sell the products and services that you love, and within good reason, because again, people are going to feel that in all your marketing and your content and all your other business efforts. So the reason why you want to become an affiliate marketer is essentially because, as just mentioned, I've just already let you know the third point, is because you want the freedom and you want the flexibility, and you just don't want to be trapped in your current flexibility. You don't want to be trapped in your current lifestyle, because it can feel quite suffocating if you are just working, and it's maybe affecting your health now, and you just want to find another way, because there is another way of doing things. And this is why I'm here now, to let you know that there's so much going on the online world. It's just crazy, really, the amount of opportunities there are. So these are my 3 main points. Definitely worth you considering looking into SFM just to get yourself on that training. Again, the affiliate link is below in the description. Always go for products and services that you love selling and that you've bought into before, and that's helped you in your journey in whatever area it is. And it's definitely worthwhile to put all that hard graft, time and effort in the beginning if you are looking for that freedom and flexibility in a lifestyle. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and I will see you soon on the next video. Bye. Many thanks, Breakthrough, for hanging out with me online, and remember to like, subscribe and hit that notification button, as I'm dedicated in creating daily videos for you to learn how to build a freedom lifestyle business from scratch. Also, feel free to hang out with me and other breakthroughs in my closed Facebook group called the Breakthroughs Hangout. The link is in the description box below. Here's to your online business success.